In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Drive name permanently on your PC. We're going to walk through this in a very clear and simple way, so even if you're not very technical, you'll be able to follow along. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to update your Google Drive name, so it stays that way across your devices. Let's start at your computer. Open your web browser, the one you normally use, such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar at the top, type in google.com and press Enter. This takes you to the main Google page, which is usually the starting point for most Google-related settings and tools. Now, in the Google search box in the center of the page, type the phrase, "How to change Google Drive name permanently on PC," and press Enter. This search phrase is helpful because it brings up results that are specific to Google Drive and to changing the name from a computer rather than from a phone or tablet. On the search results page, you'll see a list of links. Typically, near the top, you may find an official Google support article or a trusted guide that explains the process step by step. Take a moment to look for results from Google's own help pages or other well-known tech support sites, because those are usually the most accurate and up-to-date. Click on the result that looks most relevant, ideally one that specifically mentions changing your Google Drive name. When that page opens, you'll usually see instructions that involve going into your Google account or directly into Google Drive. From there, you'll be guided to open Google Drive, sign in with your Google account if you're not already signed in, and then look for the place where your account name or drive name can be edited. Follow the instructions carefully on that page. They will typically involve clicking on your account icon or profile picture, opening your account settings, and editing your name so that it reflects what you want to see across Google services, including Google Drive. Once you save those changes, give it a few moments and then refresh your Google Drive tab in the browser to confirm that the name has been updated. If it doesn't change right away, don't worry. Sometimes it can take a short while for the update to apply everywhere. Just make sure you followed the guide closely, and you should see your new Google Drive name appear and stay that way on your PC.